region, maofisa wetu watapigana na ulevi na madawa. Kama hawezani naye, watupatie nafasi, tutafute wengine wa kufanya hiyo kazi. Vile profesa amesema na Kaja amekubali, we are not going to transfer a problem. That is a decision that has been made in the National Security Council, shared by the president himself. We will not transfer a problem from Rift Valley to Western Kenya, because that would be foolish. Wewe kama huwezi pigana na hii maneno, utupatie nafasi tafadhali, vijana ni wengi, officers are many, who can do the similar job. And the professor is very candid. Wanakaja, we have a problem. That is the truth. We have a problem. We have a problem, and a big one. Juzi watu ya hii criminal gang walikuwa nasumbua watu kwa DCI, wamekamatwa. Kuliko kupeleka kotini, OCS amechukua hongo ya watu 14 amewaachilia. Ati mnataka tukae na mtu kama huyo? How? At a station commander has powers to do whatever he wants. In which country? Which one? Hii Kenya ya William Ruto hii? Hapana, tafadhali tusilete mchezo kwa kazi. Hakuna haja. I want to speak to these officers because I was one of them. Na hii kazi president ananipatia ninaielewa kidogo. I don't know too much. I'm a bit rusty. I've been away for too long. But I have a slight idea. The station commander is the center of police operations. And everything revolves around the station commander. That's why you are in this meeting. A police station is as efficient as a station commander. A police station is as rotten as a station commander. A police station is as corrupt